bro, what happened to you?
Why can't I get in my bed anymore?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't want to join the family. What?
Calm down.
Go out. Go away. Go away. No. Go away.
Okay, it's Sadie.
Go away.
Whoa. Whoa. Actually, stop. Actually, that's scaring me, bro.
Go away.
Why?
Because you're disturbing my privacy. I can't get in my bed no more.
I'm gonna beach. Whether
Why?
you like it or no, I'm going.
Nah, I'm changing.
Meeting you in the parking lot.
Bro, you're so mean.
What?
Okay, put these green shorts on. And I'm done. I'm ready to go to the beach. Nah, let's go. Nah, this is Buns.
No, stop changing my phone. No, do something.
Okay, we should take this off. Okay. Bro, this is so laggy. Okay. Shorts. Okay, this is Buns. I'm just gonna put shorts. Okay, we got some. Okay, this is Buns. Bro, this is so Buns. Why the very avenue have to take those these stuff off? Can I wear this? You know what? Just put this on. Hey yo, I'm just gonna put this shorts. I'm gonna go. Okay, time to go on the beach. Beach day. Yo, where's the parking? Where's the parking? It's upstairs, bro. Bro, I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
Where are you at?
I'm coming! Can't. Bro, I can't even find the door. What am I?
Let me call him.
Why are you calling me? Bro! Stop freaking calling me. Why are you calling me?
Cause where the frick are you?
I'm coming downstairs.
Where are you, little bro?
Parking time.
Oh.
What's up? And I'm driving this time. I don't know the way.
You don't know how to drive.
Yes, I do. Just trust me on this time.
I'm not gonna trust no one.
Get in. Get in.
Oh, I couldn't get out.
No. Okay. Time to freeze X out of here.
You are bad at driving, but I'm not gonna say nothing because I'm not judging.
Judge.
It's time for a beach party.
Nah, beach. Check out us. It's such a beach.
Whoa. No, that's weird. Don't say that.
Yeah, we at the beach. Party on your
Body at the beach and you're scuba in scuba.
What the hell?
Killer beast.
The hell?
Scuba.
You know what? I'm gonna go swimming. First, I need to take my shoes off, obviously. Apparently, people are saying we're inappropriate.
Yeah, exactly. Apparently, we're inappropriate. inappropriate.
I don't want to wear socks. Fine, I'll wear socks to the beach and I'm getting my. It's such a beach.
Don't call me that.
We have young viewers.
We actually have young viewers though, bro.
Bruv, I can see the world from here. Yo, where you at? But where are you at? Are you going to the water park? Bro, you have glasses in the swimming in the
I
beach.
forgot to take it. Parkour.
What?
Ah,
He's so buns.
so deep.
I know, right? Bro, help me. Parkour.
I'm drowning.
Bro, let's go parkour. Beach.
Running in the whole thing.
Turn on the home.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Do they have a Michael Jackson pose?
Wait,
Wait, watch this. Wait, watch this. Paula, watch this. Me walk. You got hit by. You got shot by a smooth criminal. No moonwalk. Look, watch this.
I'm not there, bro.
You got hit by. You got shot by a smooth criminal.
Oh, guys, I'm tired. I want to go outside.
You got hit by. You got shot by a smooth criminal. I want to go get some sodas. Eddie, are you okay? Eddie, are you okay? Are you okay, Eddie? You got hit by. You got hit by a smooth criminal.
You see me walking?
You see me rolling. It's such a beach. I said beach. I never said the B word.
I'm getting a nice.
Party on the beach. Yeah. What the? Give me that hoverboard. I'll get all my stuff anyways.
LOL to you.
Meanie. You son of a meanie. Also, watch this. Gosh, she doesn't know what.
That you wanna dance. That you wanna dance. That you want.
No, I don't want a paddle board. I want jet board.
That you wanna dance.
I'm on jet board.
That you wanna dance. You want my fans. That you wanna dance.
I'm on the jet board. Yo, where are you at? I'm tired of going to the beach. I want to go sunbathe. And it's probably getting night. And it's 1 p.m. It's getting night. It's getting late. But you want to play some
You wanna play Koya?
No, what's Koya? No, come on, let's play with in the beach. Look.
Ooh. Bang. Oh, run for the guy.
Shit. Hypersonic. Who the heck is
Dang.
Surf?
The poor girl. She got rejected. Who now is me too? Nah, I hate this, bro.
No.
Bro, you coming?
No.
Who you playing with?
I play with a girl.
Hey, yo, you got a girlfriend.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Bands. You want to surf? Bro, let's play. Come on. Flip you. Let's go on this side. You wanna play? She's off. Wanna play? Got it. No.
Whoa. That shorts doesn't fit you, but still.
Did ya? Okay, you didn't catch it.
I didn't catch it. Why didn't I catch it?
I don't know. Serve. Come on.
Oh, I'm sorry. Catch it.
No, it's not
You missed. Okay, what are you
I'll
playing?
serve this time. Flip.
What the hell was that?
You serve.
That was fun.
Serve. I got it. You served. Just served.
No, just pass me the ball. Oh my god.
I'll serve. Bro, you saw
No, bad. You got it. No, you cheated.
I just
You want to
served.
go home? Wear your normal outfit, bro.
If you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more.
Bye.
I hate you.
LOL.
I hate you.
Do it again.